If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your American Express account, follow these steps to potentially stop the transaction before it completes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Locate the pending transaction. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions section. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Step 3. Review transaction details. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. Confirm that it is the correct transaction you want to cancel. Step 4. Contact the merchant. If the transaction is with the merchant, reach out to them directly. Explain the situation and request to cancel the transaction. Keep any confirmation details for your records. Step 5. Follow up with American Express. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, while it may not always be possible to cancel a pending transaction, following these steps can help you take the necessary actions to address the situation.